I'm going to build a Bluetooth speaker. I have to say, this drill bit works very good. It makes so nice, clean cut. This is the front panel of the box. Speakers are coming here. This is the front panel, which will attach to this box with magnets. I'm going to use 8 magnets, 4 to each panel, and those will just click together. Obviously these magnets should be in the same place in both panels, otherwise it won't fit perfectly.
Choice, break it down, take a walk, have a drink, take your coffee, out the day, take your time, never go to work. Choice, go to trips, peace is mine, break the bricks, monkey's time, half a days.
I should glue this to this magnet. I'm sure that wood glue won't do that, so I have to use other glue to glue this magnet and Titebond 3 to glue this wood. In the end, I decided to use this 2-component glue for all. It was a mistake, it didn't get hard. Maybe there was too less hardener or something. Next day it was still soft. So I ended up using 2-component glue to glue this magnet to this wood plug itself. I glued with Titebond 3 to this panel. It worked pretty well. Next I will glue all these together. These two broke when I was copying these with my router. I glued them together. I'm not going to clean them now with my router anymore because I'm sure that it will break again. I will glue all this together. I will finish these parts a little bit later.
Search yourself, have a drink, feel the power, now talk to me, tell me things I want to hear. Now we go to sleep, we wake to feel.
It's not perfect. There is a small tiny gap. This panel I think moved a little bit. It's not a big problem. I think I can sand it. Now I will find out how I will attach this rear panel. I think I'm going to use these small threads and screws.
Shape the ways, shape the ways, shape your time, shape the ways.
Because I already sanded this box part, this second front panel and the main front panel are not the same size. It doesn't matter, it's not much, I can easily make it flush with this router bit. I need two more holes. Both are because of the amplifier. This antenna and power cable. This antenna, I can't use it in this position. I have to use it in this position. It's coming through the back panel. Is it going to work well like that? We will see. If there will be a problem with this Bluetooth connection, then I have to think about something else. Obviously we need speaker cables from the amplifier to the speakers, and for those I will drill just a basic hole here. This hole with the cables, I have to seal it somehow. I think I will use just the hot glue. Here I'm just going to glue a small piece of wood that this amplifier can't come too much inside in this lot.